So, good day everyone. So, here's my topic, chapter 19, about teamwork in contest debate. First is the use of the brief. In contest debate, there are usually 2 or 3 members in a team. The affirmative team should have only one brief, and the negative is another. It means there are 2 or 3 speakers in each team. There is only one affirmative speech and only one negative speech. If there are 3 speakers, the first affirmative should cover the introduction and a part of discussion. The second affirmative, more of the discussion. And the third affirmative is the rest of the discussion. And the conclusion, the part of the speech covered by each of the members of the team should not appear covered by each of the members of the team, should not appear as detached or independent of the part taken up by the others. The parts of the speech covered by the 3 speakers should form one unified coordinate speech. The second is the function of each of the speakers. To secure teamwork, the debaters should take care that overlapping of presentation is avoided. It means any repetition of information except for emphasis or in summarizing. Initial a waste of time and energy and violates the requirements of teamwork. So next is the first affirmative. The first affirmative speakers open the debate. The first task of the first affirmative is to arouse the interest of the audience in the discussion through the exordium. So last is the first negative. The first negative speakers may adopt either the smooth, conciliatory tone of the first affirmative or an attitude of open belligerency from the start. So it means whatever attitude the first negative may adopt, he should never commit the mistake of ignoring what the first affirmative has said. There must be adoption to the preceding speech.